Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we will discuss about schedule habits as Google Calendar events. Schedule habits as Google Calendar events. With your list in on hand, log into Google Calendar. Add calendar dot google.com with your Google account. And starting with the day of this week that you want to start the habit. Create a new event. This will achieve the make it easy part of habit planning. Default reminders aren't enabled in Google Calendar, so you will need to customize this event details to work for your habits. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.